The X5, the X6, I got an X2. There you go. What I want to do is see the field of view and show you. Did you know that the X5 has a quicker shutdown, but the X6 has a faster turn on? We have here is your field of view, and over here our field of view. During recording, if we tap on the screens here and we hit the physical button and the touch sensitive button, we don't have the field of view. But over here, we have the field of view. Did you know that the X5, if you hold down the button, you could cancel, and you hold down this particular button, it doesn't cancel. Or long press, it doesn't cancel. It'll just stop it. All right, that answers my question, Fish. I thank you. I wanted to know if the field of view was different. I think it is. I got to go into free framing, and I can't do it on the X6. But the X5, I can show you. This is what I wanted to show you. The amount of zoom we have. And that's what confused me when I used my X6. Free framing 2.0 is yet available for that. Maybe in the near future, we'll have something. Maybe the 2-1 folding stick. But the free framing 2.0 selfie stick should be coming out for the X6. Have a great day.